Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Herbalife for nutrition plans, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by assessing your nutritional needs. Identify your daily caloric intake goal. Consider your weight management objectives. Choose products that align with your goals. Explore Herbalife's range of meal replacement shakes. Select a flavor that appeals to you. To prepare a shake, measure 2 scoops of the shake mix. Mix the powder with 8 to 10 ounces of cold water or milk. Blend the shake for a smooth consistency. If desired, add fruits or vegetables for extra nutrients. Use Herbalife's protein bars as convenient snacks. Incorporate Herbalife multivitamins to support overall health. Plan your meals to include Herbalife products consistently. Track your daily intake using a food journal or app. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Adjust your portion sizes based on your activity level. Evaluate your progress weekly and make necessary adjustments. Consult with a healthcare professional if you have dietary concerns. Keep a positive mindset and seek support from the Herbalife community. Enjoy the journey toward better nutrition and health. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.